Hi YouTube, Timothy Unkert here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the OpenShot video editor on a Windows 11 laptop. OpenShot is one of the free video editors I use along with Shotcut to help edit my videos on YouTube. So let's get started. So we're going to open up a browser and I'm going to search for OpenShot. And I have this website, openshot.org. Let's go there. And you can see here that OpenShot is award-winning open source video editing software where you can create stunning videos. Let's go through the slideshow here. You see it's simple and free. Jump ahead there. Simple and free, and you can make beautiful videos today. You can click Learn More to learn a little bit more about the editor. It's cross-platform, so Linux, Mac, and Windows. Support for a lot of formats. We have desktop integration. You can clip resize and so on. And yeah, it's a really good, nice editor. So I'm going to click to go back to the home page here. And down here, you'll see it says download version 3.4.0. That may be different at the time you download it. So I'm going to click to download. And it senses that I have a Windows 64-bit computer. Just for your information, I have a Windows 64-bit computer with an Intel i3 processor that I'm using for this video. So I'm going to go ahead and click to download, and that's going to go ahead and download here. Okay, once it's fully downloaded, we can close out the browser here and navigate to our downloads folder, or sometimes you may just open it right from the browser, whatever you prefer. I'm going to click on OpenShot and then right-click and click Open. And you'll see here it says Windows protected your PC. Microsoft Defender Smart Screen prevented an unrecognized app from starting. Running this app might put your PC at risk. I've noticed this warning before with OpenShot. I think this version is fairly new. You can make your decision whether you want to install it or not. I'm going to click More Info and Run anyways. It's going to ask you to make changes to your device. After it does that, a wizard will pop up. I'm going to close out that folder there. It says select the language to use during the installation. It has English as a default, but you can pick a bunch of different languages, including British English, Spanish, and so forth. I'm going to leave it on English and click OK. And we have this license agreement. You're going to have to accept the agreement, but I would encourage you to read it beforehand. Then I'm going to click Next, and it's going to give you a destination folder. I think that's fine. I'm going to click Next. And I like having a desktop shortcut, so I'm going to check that as well. And then click Next. And then I'm going to click Install. Okay, once it's run through the installation, you have the option to either check or uncheck Launch OpenShot Video Editor. I'm going to leave that checked and click Finish. And after a moment, it's going to pop up. I like to right-click and then pin this to the taskbar, and then you can maximize this. You can run through the tutorial if you'd like. I'm going to hide that. I can move this up, just hold on that and move that up. And we have 5 tracks here by default. You can import files and then drag them into the tracks and begin editing right away. You have a nice little snipping tool here. You can highlight that and snip the clips and then drag them together to get some transitions. You have titles that you can add and so forth if you do Control-T to add the titles. And it's a really nice, easy editor to get started with. So hopefully you'll have fun with the OpenShot video editor. If you like this video, please give a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.